Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. So, if you read from my title, I have a little package from Tarte Cosmetics. Every year they do like a build your own bag that's $63. It's always in the month of December. Usually, not December, November. It's usually the first week of November. So I ordered one. Also, they also had like a makeup mystery bag. So I'm like, why not? I'm already ordering. I haven't ordered anything from Tarte in probably almost a year. So if you want to see what is in my makeup mystery bag to see if they're worth it and what is in my Build-A-Bag, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I already cut this puppy open because I didn't know if both items were in here or was it just one and the other one was on its way. So both products are in here that I ordered. So when you open it up, that's how it comes. And then comes like this with everything thrown in there. And then on the very bottom is the makeup mystery bag. Now they had a skincare and a makeup one. These were still available when I am filming, so if it's still available, I will leave the link down below. So we'll get to that last. But if you don't know what this is, so it's $63, and I believe you pay like a couple dollars for shipping. And there's 7 products that you get to choose from a whole list. So you kind of build your own like beauty box, subscription box. And you always get to choose from a makeup bag. There were like maybe 5 or 6. So I picked this one because this one is a little bit different. And it was big enough, I thought, you know, so I can, you know, use it. The other one seemed kind of small. So let me open this up and I'll show you. All right. So that's what it looks like. I mean, it's really, really pretty right there. And it's just all black. But this is big enough to put, I'm definitely going to put this in my pocketbook, you know. So like that. And then right here, what does it say? It says Tarte right there. And it doesn't have a smell. You ever get some makeup bags and it smells fishy? Anywho, this is what I picked. So I am excited for that. So then they had different foundations, or they had like a matte, a hydrating one. They had like a powder foundation, all different ones. I picked the matte one. This is the Shape Tape Matte Foundation. And I picked Light Sand. So let's see. Because I didn't remember when I was ordering it what shade I am. I do like this foundation. My favorite is the Estee Lauder. Oh, that looks light. That looks really light. Let's see. Oh. That's like a concealer color. Let's see. I might be able to make that work, but I don't know. That's really, really light. All right, so we have this. I don't know if I can exchange it or not, but I'll make it work. A little bronzer will do you, can help you out. All right, so I'm not going to go in order because I forget exactly how it went. I do know the foundation was, well, the makeup bag and then the foundation. And then I picked the mascara. This is the Lights, Camera, Flashes mascara. And this is different. They had like the regular one that's like a bluish color, and they had this gold one. I think this was the let me try it again. Vomanizing one. So I wanted to try that. Let's see what the wand looks like. If it's the same as the other one. Oh yeah, it's like spiky. I like that. All right, so I'm definitely excited to try this and see if it makes it, you know, make them look a little bit longer. So then I chose this powder brush. I don't know if I tried any of Tarte's brushes that I can recall. So I like this. I thought it was a really pretty. That's what it looks like. But this is very soft. Like, if you guys can see, it's like flimsy. I don't know if it's going to be dense enough to take the powder off. But if not, I can use it for decoration. It's pretty, but I mean, you see how flimsy? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if you ever tried this brush. Let me know. What does it say? Is it a powder brush? Does it say on here? Yeah, it's a powder brush. So we shall see. All right. The next thing is, what is this? This is a powder. I figured I can use this to kind of like set my foundation. So that's what it looks like. I've never tried this before. I got the shade Light. So you get like a mirror, you get that. Oh yeah. This is actually darker than the foundation. I can't get that thing out, let's see. Come on. All right, I got it out. I used my little knife to get it out. So that's the color. Let's see. That's really light too. I'd probably use this for under my eyes. So we have that. All right. Then I chose this palette. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. They had a few different palettes to choose from. They were all small. And, you know, I have all these shades, so I figured I'd put this in a giveaway. So I'm not going to take that off here, but it is just like a neutral. All neutrals. So I figured that would be nice for a giveaway. And I think there was one more thing. This, yeah, is a lipstick. You could have chose from the bullet lipsticks to liquid lipsticks. I think this is the Color Splash lipstick. And this like went 2 different colors, so I thought that was pretty cool. This is in Vacay, because I've never tried it. I almost got the hydrating one, but I thought this was really cool. So that's the packaging. Oh no, this isn't the color changing one. I thought I got the color changing one. This is really pretty though. This is definitely right up my alley. Yes. That is gorgeous. I was going to say beautiful, but gorgeous came out. So then what else? And then it's just some samples. So let's recap what we got for $63. We got this, which this is $39 right there. This is $40 right there. We have the lipstick. We have an eyeshadow palette. We have the powder. We have the mascara. And we have this powder brush, which I don't know how much use I can get out of this. I don't know. Yeah. So that's everything. Do you think that was worth $63? I definitely, hands down, think I definitely got my $63 worth. I enjoy doing this every year. Last year I didn't do it because I didn't need a foundation, but I was running low on this foundation. I would have ordered this anyway, so why not get all that? So yeah, I really like it. Let me know in the comments down below. Did you get this? Did you know about it? And what did you think about it? All right, so now let's see what we got in the mystery makeup bag. I forget the price offhand. I'll leave it right here and let you know. I didn't get the skincare one because I have a lot of skincare, but you can never have too much makeup. So let's see what is in this puppy. All right. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. All right, does it have a card? This just says surprise mystery bag. So it doesn't really, you know, tell you anything. All right, the first thing is we get a bag, a makeup bag. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway because I have so many. It says never not busy. That's a really pretty bag. This will go in a future giveaway. And then we have a Tarte palette. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. I have this. That's the only thing that sucks about mystery bags. I mean, if you're like me and have a lot of makeup already, you might get something that you already have. I believe I got this in a BoxyCharm. So this will definitely go in a future giveaway as well. These are the colors right there. And this fell out, so let me put that right back in. So for me, I don't mind getting this since I do have a YouTube channel and I can always do giveaways. But if you're somebody that doesn't have a channel, mystery bags are like, if you have a lot of makeup, you might get repeat items. All right, isn't this funny? This was the regular lights, camera, lashes. This is the blue one I was telling you about. That the other one I got in gold or purple or... So this I like. I've tried that one before and I do like it. So this is like $20 or $18 right there. It's almost kind of worth it, the mystery bag. All right. So then we have this Tarteist lip paint. And what should be? Which shade are you? Front row, I think it says. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I have a lot of lipsticks like this, so I'm going to put this in a giveaway as well. I think maybe we'll have a giveaway today. That way you have lipsticks and eyeshadow. All right, then we have, what is this? Kitten. Liquid eyeliner. I don't use liquid eyeliner, so it will go in a giveaway. So everything's in a giveaway. And we have the Tarte Stay Spray. I have not tried this, so I'm going to keep this for myself. So these are two things that I'm keeping. Do I think it's worth, I believe it's $22, but I might be wrong. Do I think it's worth it? Well, for this alone and for the spray, I probably just about got my money's worth. Do I think it is if you wanted to keep everything? Absolutely, I think it was worth it. But there are 3 things that are going to be in today's giveaway. Since I don't have my calendar right now, I will leave right here when this giveaway is going to end. And the only thing you have to do is be subscribed, rate the video, so either like it or dislike, leave a comment because I do use a comment picker. And that's it. That's all you have to do. It's easy peasy. So let me know what you think of this mystery bag. Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know what you think of the Build-A bag. Let me know. But don't forget to rate this video. So either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. Let me know. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. Oh, don't forget to turn that post notification bell on because YouTube does not like to give notifications. Make sure you hit it twice. That way it's on all so you will be notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways. I have a few more up my sleeve. And that's everything, guys. All right, I will see you in my next video. Bye.